guys, you know what? We're gonna race, and you want to see what I do? I do this. Elbows up, head over the bars, knees squeezing the bike, and both of your feet on the peg. If you want to do like this, and standing up is the best. And if you have a dirt bike, you want to do that and peg your leg out in any turn. Like if the turn is that way, peg your leg out.
You don't have
that
to
way.
put your leg out every time.
Yes, huh? And you have to, if you're in a different turn, you want to do this one like this. And that'll be the...
Where are you at?
We're at a derby track, and I don't know what it's called.
Ormond Beach.
I mean Horman Beach.
At an FTR hare scramble.
A FTR ham scramble.
What do you race?
Gas. B.
Peewee class?
Peewee B, and I always would. I'm trying to win because I need first place overall, and that'll be the end of this video. Painters all winners.
Get him, Bo, he's right there. Go for it, go. Get him, Dean, you're right there, buddy. Catch him. Good job, Bo. Go, Bo. Go, Dean, go. Go, go, go.